Okay, guys, let's continue. Oh no. Finally. And a nanotech. Shit. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, we are almost at both, and this Walktrough is almost done. Now take tractor beam and move that. And do this grind rail team. And you get titanium parts.
This is it, the prototype duplication room.
I'm sorry I'm late. I had some trouble with the guards.
No problem. You're just in time. Okay, let's see if this thing works.
She is trying to tell us something.
Bye now. Enjoy the hydrogenator. Remember, you bought it from Steve. Steve McQuark. Steve. Now that I've sold my 1 millionth hydrogenator, I can finance the comeback of the greatest superhero who ever lived. Captain Quark! All I need now is a new galaxy with a new fan base, so I can rescue them from a new disaster!
But
Sir, I do not understand.
Mr. Fizz Widget.
This is bad.
All right, just what the f is going on?
Allow me to explain. I'm about to save the galaxy from the protopets.
Yeah, this
You
is
are
strict
not
plus
gonna
game,
come
so
up enemy number
he can't
one.
say what
And
the
2 and
fuck
3.
is going on.
Guards, seize
So
them.
he did say what the f is going on.
Smile. It's
Yeah,
showtime. Citizens of Bogart, I am Captain Quark. I come to you in this, your darkest of hours, to shine
And
the
why
flashlight
in this
of justice
scheme, why don't
on
Ratchet
your
shoot them?
galaxy.
Because I've killed many of those ninjas. Why Ratchet don't kill those guards
A living
and kill
menace
Quark?
called the Proto
I don't
Cat has
understand.
been set loose in your galaxy. But fear not, Bogonites. I, Captain Quark,
Now
am
comes
not the
post-battle.
perpetrators. Yes, good citizens, these are the masterminds behind Megacorp's experiment with death. And now, with this, super electro gadget I invented, I will end the protopet threat once and for all.
Shut up and
That's
do
my
what you
limit
must
symbol.
do.
I invented these.
Ahem. Stay tuned, dear viewers, as I amplify the signal from this
Quick!
helixo thingy and render every protopet in the galaxy completely harmless. Allow me to demonstrate.
Does that helixo morph actually work?
It used to. I could probably fix it.
Come on, Clank. Let's get it back.
And yeah, one part more, then we're Walktrough are done. So see the next part. I continue when you have some weapons and bolts. So see you next time. Bye.